everyone. This sound is a stretchy sound and it's the sound L. Your turn. L. L. Great. Now let's have a look at our picture cards. Here we've got a ladder. Well done. A lorry. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, looks yummy. This is a lolly. And leg. She's standing on just one leg. And this leg is going to help us to write our sound today. Okay, so get my pen and you can watch as I draw the sound. Are you ready? And we're going to say leg. That looks nice and easy sound to write, doesn't it? So how are we going to make it into a leg? Well, I think it's going to have some shorts at the top. Here's his leg. And have a shoe. Some laces. There's our leg. Now I'm going to write the sound. I'm going to say stretch it all the way down. So can we go over it with me? We'll practice. We'll do leg and stretch it. Okay, let's check with our sound card. Here is the leg and here is the sound Let's have a little look. Leg. Can you see it? Leg. And then the sound Make sure you stretch it. Excellent. Now, we're going to play our game with this. And if I show you this sound, you need to say leg, because that's the picture. And if I show you this sound, you need to say because that's the sound. But it's a stretchy sound, so I want to hear you stretching it, okay? Or else you get it wrong. Leg. I'm going to listen this time. Good, good stretching. Well, excellent, we'll put it there. Now then, here is the sound card, and we need to add it to our pile. Boys and girls, this pile, look, is so thick. It has so many sounds in there. I'm finding it very difficult to hold them all. You are doing so well. So, is the new one. It needs to go into the middle. When we find it, we need to point. Okay, let's go. Great. D. T. I. N. K. O. B. And back to K. Excellent. Now then, how are we going to write this L? What's going to help us to write it? Well, very simple. We're just going to say down the long leg because it's quite a tall letter. Okay, so we need to make sure that when we write it, it is tall. It's taller than some of the others. Okay, so get your finger ready for some air writing. And we need to stretch up because it's a long, tall letter. And we're going to say down the long leg and curl round at the bottom. Make sure you give them a foot. Okay, let's do it again. Down the long leg. Excellent. So, pens at the ready. You've got your pen. Super. I've got my pen. we know what we need to say. Down the long leg. Let's have a go. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. There we go. Now, we need to practice some of our other sounds. You know what? I'm going to leave my on the board so that you can see that it needs to be taller than some of the other sounds. So the sound I'd like you to write now is an I, okay? Because that is not a tall letter, okay? So that is not going to be the same size as the Okay, so we need to do it smaller. Down the insect and a dot for his head, just like that. Okay, and we'll do another short letter. We'll do an A. Round the apple, up the stalk, down the leaf. Round the apple, up the stalk, down the leaf. There we go. And then just to show you, we'll do another tall letter, which is a T, is a tall letter. Okay, so when you say down the tower and across the tower, remember towers are very tall, so that needs to be the same as the Okay, so we say down the tower, across the tower. Excellent. So can you see we've got some tall letters and some short letters when we're writing? Great. Now then, I wonder if Fred has been able to think of any sounds or think of any words that begin with our new sound, with the sound. Have you been able to think of any? Yes. Are you going to tell us them? Yes. Come on then. Oh, we know this one, Fred. Leg. That was a nice easy one for us to start with. Give us another one. Okay. Say it again. Lip. Yes. Did you get it before me? Well done if you did. Next one. Okay. They all start with the sound today. As the sound is at the beginning of these words. So let's go. Let. Oh, have you got one more? You have. Oh, ready then. Okay. Last one. Let's make sure we get it right. Log. Yay! Well done, Fred. And well done you. You have worked really well again. See you next time. Bye.